This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 398M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 8, awning, TV antenna, water heater, refrigerator, slideout, stove top burner, LP detector, microwave, smoke detector, Colorado detector, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 398M is 15,000 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.